You might be in this really weird situation where your Android phone is just not ringing its ringtone. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, this means that you're getting calls or you're getting other things, but for some reason, the ringtone is just not ringing. Now, the main reason why this may end up happening is because your specific phone just basically has a ringtone that is not, on. So what you're going to want to do here is you want to flip your phone to the side, and all you're going to want to do is increase the ringtone volume as high as you can. So find the volume buttons on your phone and increase that ringtone as high as you can. Most of the time, that's probably all you're going to have to do. And once that ringtone goes all the way high, that pretty much is it. That'll pretty much cover it. So increase that volume as high as you can. Then at that point, once you're ready, you can go and decrease it, or you can, kind of mess with it, whatever you want to. And usually that will go ahead and fix that ringtone not ringing. Now, for some reason you do that and that's still not working, another thing you're going to want to try doing is making your way over to your settings application of your phone. So go inside of your settings app right here. You want to go ahead and go into your notifications, and you can go ahead and kind of see if your phone, if with your phone application and everything, that the phone application settings, the notifications are on, because sometimes they might not be on and that can kind of cause some issues. But on top of that, you want to make sure do not disturb mode is not on. If do not disturb mode is on, that will basically mean that this will basically not ring your phone no matter what you do. So I doubt that's what you want to have happen. So just go through and pretty much just go ahead and turn off do not disturb mode. And once again, that will pretty much end up fixing the problem, I would say, for a vast majority of people. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, you may want to go ahead and see if you can restart your phone. So hold down the buttons that you normally would to actually restart your device. You can go ahead and hold down I think it's the volume up button right there. Go ahead and restart your phone. Chances are that might end up fixing it. If that still doesn't fix it, you may want to go ahead and update your phone. So find the update button or go into your settings application here. Go and scroll down, click on system, go and click on system update. Go ahead and update your phone, and that will probably end up fixing the problem as well. So that will pretty much cover it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.